My name is Queen D and welcome to my channel where I show you how to cook vegan, vegetarian and healthy Caribbean food. If you are looking to add more fruits and vegetables to your diet, then this is the video for you. Plus, it's summertime, the perfect time for smoothies and drinks. In today's video, I will be showing you how I make my green drink. Green drink is a great way of getting in your fruits and vegetables, especially if you are that person who do not consume the amount of fruits and vegetables that is required daily. Plus, it is filled with great nutrients and fiber, and it tastes great. In today's video, I will be using my NutriBullet. But if you have a Vitamix or just a regular blender, you can use whatever it is that you have. Here are the ingredients that you will need. I will be using arugula. Reason being is that arugula is the best greens for you and it tastes great. I have some celery, some chopped up pineapples, and I have some green apples, a piece of mint, a small piece of lemon, and some ginger. To save time, I pre-chopped my vegetables ahead of time. But if you're the person that is on the go, I would suggest that you pre-chop your vegetables overnight to make it quicker in the morning for you. All I am going to do right now is combine everything and blend. All right, let's do this. We are done, and this is great for the whole family, including kids. I cannot wait to taste this. This is so delicious and it is very refreshing. Look out for upcoming videos where I'm going to be showing you how to create great smoothies and drink. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you have not yet subscribed, please go ahead, like, share, and subscribe.